easiest one to recommend is the Citi Double Cash. There's no minimum spend, there is a sign-up bonus, and you get 2% back when you buy, and then 1% back when you pay it back. So 2% total, and there's no minimum requirement for that. Another good one is the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards. That's 1.5% unlimited. So that means you can get 1.5% back on basically everything. One good thing about that card is it scales as you scale over time. Once you get to $100,000 in out with them or borrowed, then you can, I believe borrowed, you get a 2.75% cash back flat on everything. It's one of the best cards you can get for a high spender, aside from the Logix FCU, which is also 3% cash back with $100,000 borrowed or spent. The other next card I would recommend is if you buy a lot of groceries, is the American Express Blue Cash Rewards card. And that gives you 6% back on groceries, 3% back on streaming services if you use any of those. And there is a cap on that, so it's better for lower spenders. So those would be my recommendations for beginner level credit cards.